Oh my god, I am so bored. I feel like pulling a prank right now, but what should I pull for a prank though? Oh hey, I know what to do then. I will make a fake EAS emergency alert to the whole world and then scare everyone. Ha 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 ha. But first I need to find out where the EAS headquarters are. That was so freaking far and long of a walk, I am out of breath. Anyways, time to go in there.
Okay you guys, it is lunchtime. You guys may now have your 30-minute break.
Oh yes, finally. Can't wait to have a break.
Perfect, nobody is here. Now to get onto a computer and set up the emergency. Oh wow, look at all those disasters I could use to scare the city. But I have already done a tornado and the others are not gonna be good enough. Hey, what is this button? I can now upload an EAS alert. It just so happens that I haven't flash hard drives on me, and more importantly, it has my favorite type of emergency on it, zombies. Oh, I will be so getting my family back right here and now. Okay, the hard drive is in the computer now to get things ready. Okay, there it is now to upload it into the EAS alert. Okay, now to rename it. Alright, now it is renamed, time to activate it.
Hey, what is happening?
Ha 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 ha.
Sir, do you have any idea on what you have done? You have caused a massive amount of panic in the city. Now we have to calm everyone down. You are not getting away with this.
Hello, this is 911. What can we do for you?
Hello, I am Jackson from the EAS Alert. I would like to report that someone has trespassed onto our building and caused the EAS Alert. Please send an officer to arrest him.
Okay, sir. We will send out an officer as soon as we can.
Thank you and goodbye. The police are on the way. You're not going anywhere.
You are under arrest for causing a mass panic and breaking and entering. You have the right to remain silent. Now get in my police car.
You know, Boris, if I had a penny every time you got put in jail, I would be freaking rich. You are grounded for 7,489,757,983,748 years.
Dad, can we please go home?
No, I haven't yelled at Boris enough. Grounded.